Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over natural gas ETF ticker symbol UNG. Right now UNG is down about 90 basis points on the 1 hour chart. We are closely approaching the positive MACD, and I do believe we may hit positive eventually, possibly in 1 or 2 days. On the 4 hour chart, the MACD is about to converge, and we may see that happening once the 1 hour MACD turns positive. On the daily chart, I see we are finding support at this level, and the main concern is this 9-day moving average is diverging and may merge down the 18-day moving average, so that's a concern that we may head lower. But as of now, we find firm support, and another resistance or support will be at the price of 2160. And as for resistance, I'm looking at where these two moving averages converge, so that is at the price of 2250. So there's not much room to move up or down, but I do see eventually in next coming days or within 1 week we may explode up or down. So if we were to touch the resistance level, that price level will be about 1.6% move up. But if we were to find support back here that dated back to April 20th, that price movement will be around 2.2% move down. Onto the next module, I'll compare today's current trend right here with this trend that dated back to January 11th, 2018 to March 22nd, 2018. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here is we started off on top of the middle Bollinger Band right here, and we proceeded to go lower, touching the bottom Bollinger Band, or I'll make it as a down channel. So we have this down channel that lasted for several weeks, and then we proceeded to move up and touch the upper Bollinger Band right here. And then after touching the upper Bollinger Band, we retreated and we proceed to touch the bottom Bollinger Band right here. So what we have here in the trend in question, we see similar actions right here. So we started off on the middle Bollinger Band, on top of middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded down in a down channel right here. And we quickly broke out, and then we touched the upper Bollinger Band right here. And after that, it got rejected and proceeded to touch or very close to the bottom Bollinger Band at this instance. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So there is reason to believe that the trend and patterns are similar. The outcome will also be similar. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day, where January 11th, 2018 to March 22nd, 2018 went to back then. So what we have here, 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. The trend that we took a look at was January 11th to March 22nd, 2018. Back then, the trend or natural gas ETF ticker symbol UNG was up around 3% back then. And here's the line graph that I compared it to. We only have one instance that's diverged out, but overall it overlaps pretty well. So this is the current trend and the 2018 trend. That is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.